year.
Well, I can make it where you don't have another one. We can end it all today.
Spare me in the backyard over.
Put you in the back 40 back there. Let the cows fertilize you.
That's kind of shitty. So, what?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I said, I think I got everything.
What all you got? Post hole driver,
Post hole driver, chainsaw,
saw, jackass.
line,
Yeah, we're ready.
fat boy.
Yeah, we're ready.
I got it up.
Onward to victory. Alright, I'm done. Pull over, I'm going home. But you hurt yourself, it's just a little bitty finger. You getting better? Let me touch it.
No! God, man, get your ass up there over that gate.
No.
Talk shit. Yeah, motherfucker. Got his ass working now, son. Woo-wee! Hey, David, Renee, Romeo said, where you working now? Huh? Nephew. That's your gay lover.
My nephew.
Oh, I see now. God dang tiddly. He's always tiddly winking with somebody. Always tiddly winking. Look at him back here. Tiddly winking ass.
Alright.
Come on, big boy. Come on, you good. Come on. Come on, look at that. She talking shit back here.
We have come to a halt.
Alright now.
Yeah, you better walk. No, it's getting bigger.
Come on, ladies. Make some room, babies. Make some room.
Hello, ladies. Move!
I like them big booty women.
I bet you do. You've been out here in the back 40 with this cow, ain't you?
Where's my cow?
Right there.
I heard one of them.
You hear him talking shit back here?
Oh no, that's what they do. They talk shit.
Excuse me, ladies.
Go 21, get out of the way. Hey, come on. Come on now.
She's like, you better walk away, hard ass.
Now. Back it on up. Back it on up. Back it on.
Let y'all know we have the Bubba and Bone Show on YouTube now. Y'all go check us out. We do stupid crap like this, but we have a good time. We made people laugh. People kept on messaging us and letting us know, hey, y'all need a YouTube show. So we made one. So y'all come check us out, like us, follow, drop us a message, give us topics. We can talk about them.
If we do something y'all don't like, let us know.
And if we do something you don't like, we don't give a shit.
Hey, that's not true. We're viewer friendly, family oriented. What's wrong with you? Oh, you gotta think of the children.
Okay. Hey, just to let y'all know, what we do, it might be retarded, but we have fun anyway.